you're driving home, but suddenly a huge tornado blocks your way. Don't try to overtake it to run away. The best solution is to turn around and go the other way. But sometimes it's impossible to do so. Welcome to the virtual survival course. Oh no! You should leave the car running so the airbags still work. And keep your seatbelt on. Don't forget to close all the windows. We don't want the wind to get in. Great! Now get down below the windows and cover your head with your hands, blanket, coat, or pillow if available. The chances of surviving inside the car are low, but you don't have a better choice. It's too late and nowhere to run, so get ready. Use your feet and muscles to fix your body in one position inside the car. That awkward moment when you can't get away with crashing a police car. Extra protection, just in time. The weather is getting better. It might seem tempting to seek shelter under an overpass or a bridge, but it's even more dangerous. Tornado winds pick up under these structures, so you would face more debris. Also, you could be blown out and carried by the winds. Surviving that kind of adventure is great luck, so avoid repeating this in real life.
Activating survival protocol.
Huh? What's that? What's going on? Is the dam failing?
It is. It's time to get to safety.
Good idea. The road is really starting to flood.
You don't want to be trapped in a location where it's difficult to escape, like a house or a parked car.
Are you kidding me?
Remember, the older the dam, the more at risk it is of collapsing. The larger the dam, the more powerful the flow of water will be.
Phew. So, I need to get to high ground?
Exactly. Try to find somewhere you can escape the surge.
Oh, the hill.
That is a good idea.
Gotta keep going.
Remember, it's just a simulation. No one got hurt.
Oh, I made it. Wow, look at all that damage.
Survival protocol completed.
Oh, well. What a wonderful day.
Have you ever seen anything like this? Look out! Ah! We need to get out of here. Now!
I'm doing my best. You okay? I didn't break a single bone. Let's try to survive. Oh no, I'm not ready to give up yet.
We need to get to a safe space.
Hold on, I have a plan B. Oh no, plan B is canceled. This is it.
Look out!
Ah!
The soul is neither born, nor does it ever die, nor having once existed, does it ever cease to be. The soul is without birth, eternal, immortal.
Oh, gosh. Wow! Whoa! All right, buddy, no time to think. Whoa! Let's try to survive. Wow! I gotta move as fast as I can! It's already here! Everything's falling apart! Ooh. Yeah, I hope this way works! Let's go! Wow! Let's go this way! Hey! I didn't break a single bone. Okay now, what's next? Oh no, not ready to give up yet! No worries. There's a main road behind these houses. Let's try to get there. Get into the car! Hurry up, babe!
We need to get out of here. Now!
Let's go! Whoa! Did you see that? Oh, watch out!
Ah! Look out! We need to get to a safe space.
Don't panic. We'll get out of here.
What am I doing here?
Your subtle body shifted here for a reason.
Oh, really? But how?
You have a bond with your girlfriend. She must have thought of you.
Wow, it feels so real. Can she see me?
Most people don't see subtle bodies.
Miss, please, stop. I need your help.
Looks like a car accident.
I don't like this.
Follow me, please. Hurry up. You're my only hope.
There's something wrong with this guy.
Let's keep an eye on him.
Okay, I'm here.
Look out!
Not so fast. Get out, you freak. There you go.
I gotta run.
What the heck was that?
An evil entity has taken over this guy's body. There are millions of other beings living in subtle bodies like ours.
Wow.
Yeah, they can gain control over humans to satisfy their own interests. Lots of entities in subtle bodies can share one human body.
Well, that explains a lot. This city's a hot mess. Everything's falling apart.
That's the circle of material life. The world gets created to be destroyed.
But my plan was to live life to the fullest.
Every day, we encounter people dying, but we always think that death will never come to us.
This flood is fierce. All right, I'll hide upstairs.
That's right, babe. Run to the roof.
Look who we have here.
Oh no!